The AI User Persona Generator has just been released, and if you're looking to level up your marketing strategy, then this tool could be exactly what you need. In this review, we'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing AI software. Stay tuned till the end, as I'll also reveal how you can try it for free, plus my recommended AI tools to take your digital marketing to the next level. Let's start with the basics. What is the AI User Persona Generator? In short, it's an AI-powered tool designed to help businesses create detailed customer personas. But it's not just any standard persona builder. This one uses cutting-edge AI to analyze a variety of data points and generate personas that are much more accurate and insightful than traditional methods. Now let's talk about how it works. The AI User Persona Generator taps into behavioral data, demographic details, and even psychographic profiles to give you a 360-degree view of your target audience. Whether you're creating content, refining your marketing strategies, or improving product offerings, this tool helps you understand exactly who you're speaking to. By leveraging AI, it eliminates the guesswork involved in persona creation. One of the standout features is its customization options. You can tweak the personas based on your business's specific needs. Need personas for a high-end luxury brand or a budget-conscious product line? No problem. The software tailors personas with such precision that you'll get data that's not only actionable but highly relevant to your niche. Another key benefit is its ease of use. If you've ever used persona building tools, you know how time-consuming and complicated the process can be. With the AI User Persona Generator, you can skip the headache. The intuitive interface walks you through everything step by step, making persona generation fast and efficient, even for beginners. But here's where it gets interesting. The software doesn't just stop at creating static personas. It continuously learns and evolves based on new data inputs. So your personas can actually improve over time, giving you fresh insights as your business and audience evolve. This dynamic approach to persona generation ensures that you're never working with outdated information. A huge plus for marketers is its integration with other platforms. If you're using CRM tools or customer data analytics software, the AI User Persona Generator can integrate seamlessly, providing you with a unified marketing approach. This saves a ton of time and eliminates the need for switching between different platforms to get your data in sync. Lastly, let's talk about the pricing. While new software often comes with a hefty price tag, the AI User Persona Generator gives you a free trial right now, so you can test it out before committing. You can access the trial via the first link in the description below. Now, before we wrap up, let me share something important. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've carefully selected my top recommended software. These are tools I've used myself to boost my marketing results, and I've linked them in the description for you to try for free. But the AI User Persona Generator is definitely one of the standouts in 2025, especially if you're serious about precision targeting your audience. So whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this tool is a must-have in your digital marketing toolkit. Try the AI User Persona Generator for free today, and don't forget to check out my top software recommendations in the description. Let's make sure you have the best tools to succeed in today's competitive digital landscape.